needs a welder. If anybody can help with a suspension, they need a welder. Here's the one.
What's good, Pack Gang, and welcome back to the channel. So, I'm doing something new here. Got a little voiceover going on, but I was trying to record this, and my camera magically, I don't know, stopped working, and I didn't get none of this. I had a nice little conversation with my kids. So right now we're going to order some fish from Mama's Kitchen, which was pretty good. And then we're over here going to this Kona Ice, which I've never been there before, and it is awesome. Like, they got crazy flavors. You can mix and match all different types of flavors or whatever. As you can see, my daughter, she is mixing some, and I was telling her, hey, make sure you fill up that cup now, get all your money's worth. So let's get back to the action. Alright, gang, so I got my food. About to walk back to the whip. Can't use no bad language, but I'm about to mess it up. Dash it up. So, I don't know if y'all can hear in the background, but they about to start the Dash for Cash event. So, we're going to sit here and watch, look at some nice cars, racing. Got a nice sponsor body over here. Camaro. Another Fox. I think I showed y'all these already. Hey, come on, boy. Be all mad. We got this car right here. This is nice. Locks on that thing. Got a nice S10 right here. Fox body.
Alright, let's sail down into the 552 right side on a 539.
Well, see, got this donk out here. I'm trying to see what this donk heading on. I ain't never seen no donk in person daggone with no slicks on it.
Left side get the lead first.
Look all OG in the inside. That joint nice too. We'll see what he got going on. Some more stuff over here. Man's cooling the Mustang down. Yes, ma'am. Good, DUB. The Rango post up over here. Got my car over there next to Mustang in the vet. She clean, ain't she? Woo! Sounding like new money. I cleaned it this morning. She just was today. Here's your funnel cake.
Thank you.
Yeah, I know I was burning my finger earlier. Oh. Alright, y'all.
You taste the peanut butter?
That done good. I might even get my own refill. That Kona Ice, y'all. Fire! Well, I got my food. Oh, I thought she was talking about my fish. I was about to say, hold on, girl, you just had your own. But yeah, that don't look good, don't it? So, I'm about to tear this food up, y'all. Might as well flew off.